Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. The very first thing I picked up was a whole bunch of these Pepsis. I always grab these. I got 8 of them. So I picked up 8 because the Pepsi truck showed up. And yeah, I know the manager, he gave me the case. So I grabbed a whole bunch of them and I got more over here. So let me put this aside. Then also at the Dollar Tree, I picked up this bar soap here. This is from Bolero. This is the Hibiscus Rose. This is the only one that I've seen. Then I found the Suave Extra Fresh men's shampoo. It's a nice big one. It smells fresh and clean. Got this for my son or my husband, whoever wants to use it. Got that. Then I picked up some Bolero hand soaps. This is the Hibiscus Rose. This is a nice clear bottle with the pump. I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. And then I picked up this chamomile and cucumber. Like I said, these are the only 2 scents that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. I didn't see no other scents like that. So I picked up some more aromatherapy oil. I like to use this in my air diffuser machine. It makes the whole room smell good. So that's what I use them for. Got some Dawn dish soap. This is the Dawn Botanicals cherry scent, cherry blossom, whatever you want to call it. Then I got more Bolero. This is the face wash, the chamomile and cucumber. I got more Bolero. This is the Hibiscus Rose fragrance mist. It's like a light body spray. It doesn't have alcohol in it, so it won't burn you. This is good for just for like a light fragrance. It won't last long because I said it feels like it's mainly water, but it's like a light fragrance smell. So it's good for after shower, like if you want to go to bed and just something very light, or you're not too crazy about fragrances. Or you could just use these to spray in the air. You could spray this on your linens, your pillowcases, stuff like that if you don't want to use it on your body. So I got those. I just like the packaging. And then I also picked this up at Dollar Tree. This is the Global Care. This is a face serum. I use face serums all the time, day and night. So this is, it says Rosy and Ready with Evening Primrose, I think it says. I'm sorry, guys, it won't zoom in. This is the nice facial serum. That's from Global Care. So if you see the silver box, those are Global Cares. You can find these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington, places like that. They have them around, so Global Care is pretty good. And then I have another Bolero. This is an eye cream. A few times I bought the tubes like this because I have mostly all the eye creams. But some of them said overnight detoxing night cream. So this one, I made sure this one says eye cream. So this is the chamomile cucumber. Love the box on that. The packaging is really nice. Then I got this Global Care face serum. This is the one with a lot of vitamins in it. Here's another body spray, fragrance mist. Really nice. I love the packaging on this. So if Bolero is listening from the Dollar Tree, why don't you make some home fragrances, home cleaning products with this stuff? That'd be better off too. That'd be a good thing to sell. Also, I got this. This is another facial serum. This is the Cucumber Chamomile. I got this LA Colors Plump Gloss. So it looks like that. It's like a very light, shimmery, nudie, glittery, really pretty spring color. I like that. So I got another LA Colors. This is the darker color, Plump Gloss. Looks like that. It's a nice, pretty, like a terracotta type of color. Really nice, like a brownish red. And then I got this from Bolero. This is the face cream, chamomile and cucumber face cream. So this is the only one I've seen. They did not have facial mask or any other stuff like that. So this is the small face wash. Packaging is really nice. And then also at the Dollar Tree, I picked up another LA Colors. This is a nice nudie brown lipstick. Really nice. I wear browns a lot. Lipsticks are really pretty. And then I got this beautiful, hanging decoration, cardboard you know, with the Statue of Liberty, the glittery American flag, the fireworks. It's really nice for 4th of July. They're already putting their 4th of July stuff out already, which is crazy. And I got 2 of these stickers of the flowers of the glitter with the silver background. They look like a mirror effect. They're beautiful. I'm going to use these for a project I'm going to be doing. So I do that for that. That's what I got them for. If the stickers are not beautiful looking, I will not buy them. Because I use them to actually make items that I use in my home. I don't use them for, you know, like planners and all this crazy stuff. It's just stuff you're just going to end up throwing out. It's a waste of money and time. I like to use these to actually make something to use in my actual household stuff. Or once in a while, I'll put them on envelopes or cards or gift wrapping packages. And you could create your own stuff. You could put these on beautiful mirrors. You could do so many beautiful things. But I'm going to use this in my garden. I'm going to be making some really nice stuff with that. Then I got this Freeman. This is the seaweed and pearl sheet mask, brightening sheet mask. And John Freeman's a really, really good brand. I have all his stuff, all his products. And then this one here is another packaging of Bolero. This is the cucumber chamomile mask. Look how beautiful this packaging is. I love it, love it, love it. This is beautiful, like for a decor or a beautiful dress. Oh my goodness. The jeans, if they made pants like this or anything, it's so pretty. I love the pattern of that. It's really, really nice. And then the last thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree was these chamomile cucumber face wipes. These are the only ones that I've seen. So I love the packaging on these. They're really nice. I didn't see no other fragrances from Bolero. So if they do have any more, let me know. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to be on the hunt for those. I'm going to be going to all different places. So anyway, thanks for watching this Dollar Tree haul. Let me put all this stuff away. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.